How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at Botrix. What is Botrix? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's take a look. Okay, so Botrix, what is it? You're going to want to go to botrix.live. Okay, don't worry about the /entra. Right? Just go to botrix.live. This might pop up for you. If it does and you're English speaking, click on always translate pages from Spanish. Okay, now the translation isn't going to be perfect, but we're going to do it. Of course, this video will only pertain to you if you're a Trovo streamer. Okay, guys, this is something you're going to need. So let's translate the page. It's going to say up here, top in the top right hand corner, translated. PogChamp, that's what we want. So this website is basically a way to get your alerts on your stream and a few other little goodies. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to want to enter with Trovo. Now you click on that. It takes a second because, you know, it's a little bit slow. I'm going to block out my information here, so please bear with me. You'll have to bear with me. Wait, have I spelled it wrong? Yes, I have. Derp. Excuse me. Okay, so we're now loading in, and it's going to come up instantly with a greeting of Botrix Premium. You're not going to need this. It's only $2 a month. It does add some cool little things like a custom name for your bot and, you know, a little bit more memory and whatnot, but you know, it plays sounds and commands. It's up to you whether you have that or not. That's your call. Okay, guys, but me personally, I don't use it. So what you're going to want to do depends where you're looking at first and where you're looking at first, or what you're looking to do, I should say. Right, so on the left hand side here, you got your alerts, your widgets, your chat box, profile, which you don't have access to unless of course you're subscribing to them for, like, you know, $2 a month. Your integrations, song requests, which honestly I would not recommend having because of all the new DMCA rubbish that's going on. You got a text to speech situation, documentation support, and you can log out. Okay, so some of you might be sitting there thinking, well, hang on a minute, this looks like Streamlabs. And yes, you're right, it does. The reason for that? Well, quite simply, the guy that made this, I've had a chat with him, you know, on his Discord server. Great Discord server, by the way, very helpful. They've already stated that they made it specifically to look very similar to Streamlabs. And it was to help people coming over from Twitch to Trovo to try and get them used to it, so they can try and, you know, so they know what they're doing. So it's very, very similar. Okay, so this is what you're going to want to do. Okay, so you're going to be looking for your alerts now. So you're going to click on subscribers right here, or you can do, that's your resubs. Okay, subscribers, resubs, followers, raids. Then you got ones for mana, elixir, and text to speech. I don't really bother with text to speech, just let people say stuff, is fine. So you go to your subscribers, right? Then what you want to look at is image and sound. Now here you can see there are some links in there. That's fine. So now what you're looking for here is you want to put your image in here and your sound that you want to play in here. So the way you're going to do that is where it says selection, that actually means upload. So you click on selection, and then you find the file, you navigate to whatever file it is that you want to do. Now, I don't know where my files are, because I got a brand new computer, right? So you just navigate to whatever your downloaded image is. It can be a GIF, it can be a PNG, I think it can be a WebM file as well. So you just search through them, you find them, you upload them, and you put them in there, right? So it automatically puts it as its own link, so it knows what it is. I've maxed my volume out, that's fine. Then whichever way you want it to display as well. So same as Streamlabs, you can have the picture at the top and the text at the bottom. You can have text on the right and the picture on the left, or you can have the image with the text over the middle. Now personally, myself, I like to have the image on top and the text on the bottom. That's just what I'm used to having. Then of course you can change your text color and your bottom text color. Now what that'll do is, say somebody comes in and they follow or they sub, it'll put their name in one color and then the rest of the font, rest of the words in another color. Okay, so then you can change your font size down here. I got it set to 16 pixels. If I feel that's quite large, that's enough. As you can see, the slider goes up, you can go all the way up to 75 pixels. Nice. So I'll just put mine back down to 16. Okay, now in the text here, you put in whatever it is you want it to say. Now I got a little thing in my stream called the Pro Club, PPC. So I put on there, if somebody subscribes, they become a pro. PogChamp. So yep, welcome to the Pro Club. Now I wouldn't bother with custom code. It's, if you're a coder, crack on, get on with it. Happy days, enjoy yourself, do what you need to do. Click save. It'll pop up in the top right corner saying save settings. Nice. Then you just go through every single one of these bad boys and do exactly the same thing. All right, you upload your own picture, you upload your sound, you put the volume to where you want. I'm not sure why my resub is 58, but it is. You change your source, that's actually the font. I don't know why it says source, but it's your font. Put in whatever text you want, you know, you go through it all, you press save, job done. Same for your followers, same for raid. Then of course you got your mana. Now you got your mana and you got your elixir. Now you can have your own personal image if you want to, right, for mana and elixir. However, on Trovo, every time someone puts, like, gives a streamer mana or elixir, if you leave this area blank, so you put nothing in there whatsoever and you save it, it will automatically play a larger image of whichever mana or elixir the user in chat uses. So, well, look, I'm on Arthur's Trovo at the moment. Go and drop Arthur a follow, guys. She's quite new to Trovo. So if I go to my Trovo right here now, right, and say I drop myself some, I don't know, one of these, stay safe, right? Down here in the chat, I don't know if you can see it there, it's quite small, but it's got a little spiky dude. Now, once I've set up the alerts and I've shown you how to put them into OBS, it's the same as Streamlabs OBS. I'll show you what it does on screen, okay? Excuse me. Got rid of a dodgy throat, not throat, chest. My asthma's playing up, so bear with me. Okay, so like I said, if you leave that clear, it'll show up on your alerts, whichever one they put into chat. Same as Elixir, okay? Text to speech, don't worry about it unless you really want to. It's up to you. But me personally, I just leave it as is, right? Excuse me. So now, you've gone through all of these, you've put your image in, you've put your sound in, you've adjusted your volumes, you've done your text colors, you've chosen what font you want, the font size, and you put your message in. Great stuff. What do we do next? Click on advanced settings. So now we're on advanced settings. What does all this do? Good question. Now, your image, if it's a GIF, probably lasts, I don't know, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I mean, if it's a, you know, it could be a bit longer, it could last 30 seconds, I don't know, it depends on what you're using, right? So, but the most important one you're looking for here is your sound. Now, you've got a sound in mind of what you want to use. How long is that sound clip that you're using? If it's 12 seconds and you're on subscribers, click advanced settings, go down to subscribers, and put that to 12 seconds, which for some reason isn't showing up. Let me turn off my thing. Does it show now? No. Okay, maybe there might be a bit of a bug going on here right now with the sound site. It's either that or something on my end I need updating. But usually there's numbers here to tell you how long it goes on for. Okay, so when you do it, there probably will be numbers there. It's probably something to do with my browser settings, which I've messed up somewhere along the lines. Okay, but the main thing to take away from this is these sliders here is your duration of how long the actual alerts last on your screen. So you get that done, happy days. Down the bottom, you got your mana and elixir. This here allows you to choose the minimum amount, as it says there, minimum to display an alert for. I think the minimum amount of mana someone can give you anyway is something like, I don't know, 100, I think it is, something like that. So just put 1 in there regardless. Elixir I got it set to 1, just as is, it's fine. So this is a very important part to be going with. Right, so you hit confirm, job done. Right, your next important thing, once you've got all of these set up, hitting these buttons won't do anything at the moment. You need to copy this, just click copy for your URL widget link. Okay, that's your browser source, right? So you copy it. Now I'm gonna excuse this bit here because it's gonna go a bit inception-y, right? Whoa, look at that, that's cool now. Right, so now you want to go to your sources down here, click on plus. If you're on Streamlabs, there'll be a button for you to press for all your stuff, and then you can click on browser. Now this will open up, and then just name it alerts. Okay, then this will pop up. Take that link out and then put that in. I'm gonna hide that so you guys can't nick my alerts. Haha. Okay, there we go. Now you just drag it and you'll see it'll load it up a little bit. Okay, so there you go. Now you've got your browser source inserted. Now what you want to do, let's grab that, move it over to the left a little bit, just so I can show you what it's going to do. All right, so let's grab my browser, pull it over a bit. Okay, so we got my browser now, we pulled it over a bit, and now we get to test these. Okay, so bear with me, it might be a little bit loud, but we're gonna hit followers. We about to let the dragon out, come on! No, 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 you don't with me. I'm a little really wanna you can hear me say, hey, shoot it, you can hear me say, hey. And there we go. Now your alert pops up, works absolutely perfectly fine. So for me, it's very much the same. I know right there it's got a black background, but on my main stream I've edited it out so it looks neater. So we'll hit subscription. Yowie wowie!
Subscriber hype.
Okay, so now, as I was saying about the mana and stuff, yeah, right? Now I'll show you how this one works, right? Because this is slightly different. So as you can see, there's different manas you can put in. You can put 500. So there's a difference between these, look, right? These got little diamonds. These got like little diamonds with a tail on them. Those are elixir. That's equal to bits. Now, these ones, if you click cast on that, that should pop up there.
Something for me.
Okay, yes.
Wow, that's nice. Hey, where'd that come from?
Would you like to donate your body to science? I'm not your father.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, so that torch one, it's a holiday at the moment. It's like a special event that's going on Trovo. So right now, it usually displays something different. But if I put, say, the stay safe.
Something for me.
Wow, that's nice. Hey, where'd that come from?
Would you like to donate your body to science? I'm not your father.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
So there we go. So like I said, because we didn't put anything in the image for the mana over here, that's why the actual one popped up. Okay, so that's your alert setup, nice and easy, simple. Now you got widgets. Okay, Spectator Counter, very basic, very simple, very easy to understand. Okay, now this will just tell you how many viewers you've got in your stream. It's up to you whether you have it or not. Choose your colors, whatever you want to have them, and your font. Excuse me, your font. Same as before. You copy your URL widget and you stick that into your OBS or your Streamlabs OBS as a browser source. Nice and simple. Go back. Goal followers. Right, so say you want a follower goal going on. You pick your design. You want normal, clean. See, it updates here and it shows you the different styles you can have. You can have the radial one or radius. Clean radius. Nice sharp looking one. That looks kind of cool. Looks like a razor blade. Or you can have a rounded one, rounded edge square, you know. Then once you've done that, then you just put in how many you want to get to, your font color, the message, and then your font. Okay, this one on the left hand side, it'll automatically update to how many you got, and then on the right hand side is what you're telling it you want to get to. Nice and simple. Once you've done that, copy the browser source, add it to your software as a browser source. Nice, easy. Same for subscribers, no difference there, exactly the same as the followers. You got your mana goal. Okay, now that's exactly the same, you know, your different designs, the bar color, however much mana you want, quantity initial, like I believe that's how much you're starting off with. So say you've got 20,000 already and you want to get to 30,000. How many days you're putting it in for, the message where you want it written in the middle of there, and then of course sources, which is actually your font. Happy days. Goal elixir, exactly the same as the mana, but that's equivalent to bits in as no on Twitch would be for bits kind of thing. Then event labels. So this is if you want someone's name to pop up on screen when they hit the follow. Like on Twitch you might have had like a follow train, so to speak, right? Or a subscriber train where you might have just scrolling text at the bottom and it just stays there permanently. Or not so much scrolling, but it just stays there permanently. So instead of just the alert, you can have the alert obviously, but this will just stay on screen permanently. So you'll have your last follower, and every time you get a follower, it'll just this will update, and you know it'll stay there on screen for you. You can have it aligned whatever you need it to be aligned. Same thing as usual. Copy your browser source, add it in as a browser source. Job done. This is probably one of the most important ones, your chat box. A lot of people decide they want to have a chat box. Yeah, that's some conversation that went on in my chat last night. So you just copy your source, stick that into your browser source on your streaming software. Nice, job done, happy days. Giveaways, I've never really done these ones before. Write +1 in chat, participants. Oh, okay, this is cool, this is new, looks nice and easy to use. So you just write a bunch of names and then you write +1 in chat, restart and begin. Easy to set up and easy to do. Happy days. Surveys. Okay, this I've had a little bit of trouble playing with this before, so you gotta use poll vote and hash ID to vote. I'm not going to get into this one because I've had issues with this myself, so I need to learn how to use it. But if you know how to do it, leave a comment down below. Good luck. And whilst you're leaving comments down below, why not hit that like button? I appreciate it. Emotes on screen. This is fun. So basically what this does, you can see it right there, look. If someone spams your chat with emotes, you copy this, you stick it into as a browser source. So we'll just do that quickly just so I can show you, because this is fun. I like having this one. We'll just name it, oh, no, not Emotes. That's a bit of a weird name. So we'll name it Emotes. We'll paste it, we'll do that. When we'll grab it, we're gonna make it quite big because, you know, why not? We'll do that. And then we'll open up the browser again. We'll go back to my chat. And we'll just spam chat with a bunch of different emotes, and as you'll see now, boom, it spams your screen with emotes. Nice and easy, nice and fun. Uses next to nothing on your CPU, if anything at all. It's really good. And these are coming soon. They're not available yet. That's going to be like your bit boss, I guess, and combo emotes. I'm not sure what that does, but it's nice and simple. Chatbot, useful, very helpful. So with this, you got capital protection, restrict viewers and spamming, basically from spamming the crap out of your chat. Turn it on or turn it off. It's up to you. I got mine turned off because I'll have people talking all the time. Let them talk. Link protection. If you don't want people spamming links in your chat, turn it on so people can't link stuff. Protection of emotes. We want people to be posting emotes in chat, guys. So we leave that off. It's up to you, of course, if you want it on. Offensive words. I'm not going to click that because there's some nasty words in there I don't want you guys seeing right now, and I don't want to risk getting banned on YouTube. But that's where, you know, if you got some offensive words you don't want people writing in chat, this is where you put them. You click configure, you type them in there, and you save it. When it says confirm, that's save. Yam. Okay, that's where you create your bot account for your $2 a month jobby, your subscription thing. Commands. Okay, nice and simple this is as well. So you got commands. They do have specific things here, right? So where is, oh yeah, you gotta put mod, you gotta put Botrix as a mod in your channel as well, guys. Do not forget to do that. It says here specifically. Don't forget to give Botrix mod by typing in your chat. It is spelled typing wrong, but that's fine, don't worry about it. So the command will be something like hi, and then you click they do have pre-text things, so you'll do like dollar open bracket sender, so that'll say their name. Hi there, how are you? Okay, and then you can do the rank. It could be user, follower, sub, mod, or owner. We'll just do user and we'll click OK, right? So then when you go in here, you can do exclamation mark hi, and it should come back saying, there we go, Big Welsh, hi there, how are you? Nice and quick and simple. Okay. Nope, wrong one. Timers. These are your timed messages. They're pretty self-explanatory. You put your message in there, whatever you want it to say, like check out my latest YouTube video, check out my merchandise. I want to remind you that I'm very thankful for watching my stream, etc. And you put it, you know, however regular you want it to be put in chat. Then just click confirm. Job done. Additional features, chat alerts, send a message in chat every time there's an interaction such as a welcome or follow. Click on setup. So this will just give a basic message in chat itself, so not on screen like an actual alert. This will be a text alert in chat itself. So somebody comes into the stream, this will automatically say welcome to the stream, and then it'll post an emoji. We hope you enjoy your stay. Another emoji, another emoji, and then they got it for following, donations, subscriptions, giveaways. Well, no, not giveaways, sorry, but that's a gifted sub, and reading, you know. Voice messages, this is fun, right? Okay, we don't want I'm English, or British, so I'll have it in English. This is new. I gotta reset this back up because I had it set up before. How often people can use it? A voice message, we'll keep it at 30 seconds, 150. Let's max it out. Let them read as much as they want. I don't mind. People can use it as much as they want to. It's good. Template, as I said. Okay, yeah. So the bot, if you okay, let's just show you, right? So what it should be. Do I want to save changes? Yes. So if I'm not mistaken, I should be able to go into chat and type in TTS hello there. Oop. It should read it out. No? Okay. I don't know if I have to be live for that, maybe? It's possible I might have to be live for this to work. I don't know. Add a text template that I said before the message you can use. It used to be TTS. So I don't know, maybe they've changed it. I'll have to look into that again myself. System of points, I don't use that. It's coming soon anyway. Social media, click to configure, then that means you can just do like !Twitter.discord and it'll give out your Discord and Twitter link and all that stuff. Right, so here's TTS here. Please, if you want to report an error. Okay, right. Wow, that has changed a lot. Set the minimum. Let's go to user. 30 seconds. Configuration. You must stay with this window open so the voice is heard. Okay, so that's maybe why it didn't work. Let's try that again.
Big Welsh says hello there.
There we go. So you gotta have that window open. Happy days, nice and simple, nice and easy, guys. Chatbot, what we got next? This is gonna be a long video. I am sorry, guys. It's like a 30-minute freaking video. You know, just go through all of these. You got your timers, right? We've done all that. Cool. Profile integration, set up a Discord, set up your Twitter, Gilded, whatever that is. And well, guys, I guess that is it. That's a nice simple 30-minute video. I'm sorry it took so long, but that should give you everything you need to know about having Botrix set up for your stream. Nice and simple, nice and easy. If you need any help or any information, leave a comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can, guys. But otherwise, guys, that is Botrix. Welcome to Trovo. I hope you enjoy your stay. Drop me a follow. There's my link. Enjoy. See you later, guys.